Step 1. Find a best-selling composition book. The first step is to find a best-selling composition book and emulate it. To do so, there is a great tool called Dominator, which is a powerful tool for finding the bestseller composition books for your KDP business. To get started, create an account and go to the Research tab, then Bestsellers. Use the filters to narrow down your search by choosing KDP on the product type and sorting by BSR, then click Search to get detailed sales and ranking data for each book by BSR with its price. Once you find a few profitable books, take note of their titles, descriptions, and keywords, and use them as inspiration to create your own composition books. With Dominator, you can be sure you are creating products that have a high chance of selling well on Amazon. In our case, we found so many books other than composition books. So we need to be more specific on our search. Let's go back to the filters and type composition book, then hit search. As we can see, we got a limited number of books. This search showed us that the bestseller composition book cover are the ones with some dinosaur pattern with more than 2 million sales. As you can see, this seller has sold 9.5 million copy of this book, which means that if he got only $1 royalty, he will have got $9.5 million income just from selling this simple product. Which is insane. I will show you how to create exactly the same composition book or something similar to get the same results of this seller. Just follow the steps I'm gonna teach you on this video.